we will test the connectors in front of the bike. So either way, if you're having an issue, there's no power coming through the screen or the brakes or the light, we can have a look at the connectors first. So to do it, we'll get the cutters, cut the tie wraps, so now you cut the tie wrap, you can lift up the blackness and have access to all the connectors. So this is a test to have a look. So if you're having a problem with your screen or your light, you're gonna see a color through here if it's disconnected. So sometime you're gonna have this orange color and you can just put it back in together. You align the arrows and then your bike is gonna be working. So this test is just to see if one of the connectors is disconnected. You did your test, the bike is working. You can put the tie wraps around the black net again. Here we go, your test is done. You can go back on the road.